Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 options infographic slide in PowerPoint. You can see here I have added 2 color combinations and with the star in middle, and you can type the options here and your titles can be entered here. If you have more space, you can add more options. So let's see how to create this beautiful multicolor infographic slide in PowerPoint. Right mouse click, add a new slide. I will just remove the unwanted text boxes. Right mouse click, go to format background and select gradient fill. I have used a light gray and somewhat dark gray color combination. Then go to insert shapes, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle, maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to give a light color here and increase the size. Then go to insert shapes. Under stars and banners, select this star 6 points. Draw the star exactly in the center. I will reduce the size a little bit. Shape outline, make it no outline, and for the meantime I'm just going to give some different color and I'm going to give some shadow effect, which is this one. If you want, you can zoom it a little bit and make sure that the star is in the center. I will increase the size a little bit. It's okay. Then I'm just going to select this blue and I'll give a gradient fill. To give a gradient fill, I'll select the first top and I will select, for example, maybe this color, which is this one, and the other color I'm going to select maybe this one, the orange, and click OK. And the star color, I'm going to select the first color which I have used, which is this one, this and this color same, and go to insert shapes. I'm going to basic shapes, and the basic shapes, just select hexagon, draw a hexagon, something like this. Shape fill, make it white. Shape outline, make it no outline, and give a transparency, and zoom a little bit and rotate it like this and put it here. And I'm going to adjust this according to the size of the star. I will just adjust it, and if you want, you can use this small, this also, the orange. Can you see here? I will just adjust it. I think this is okay, and I will just send this to back with more transparency effect, so it will look something like this. And once this is done, I'm going to select these 2 options, press Ctrl G to group it, and shadow, give a right shadow, increase the size, distance, and make it more blurred. And I'm just going to insert the text here. I'll just say A, and I will select this and change the font to Century Gothic, make it bold, increase the size, and I'll make it white color and put it exactly in the center. And then here you can add some title here. I will just say your title, center align, same font, make it bold, put it here in the center, and then I'm going to add some more detailed text. I'll just say add your detail text in this placeholder column. I will center align, again the same font which is Century Gothic, reduce the size, and I'm going to give some dark gray color. And this is where you can add your text. Now once this is all done, I'm going to select all, or I can just press Ctrl A and Ctrl G to group it. So you can see here I have group. I'll just move it this side. I'll press Ctrl D to duplicate. This is my other one. This is option 2, Ctrl D, 3, 4 and 5. You can see here I have made it a 5 options. Now the next thing is to change the color of each options. First let me just select all this, right mouse click and ungroup it. So I'll just select this and change the color now. I will give some maybe this color and then one lighter color, one dark and one light shade. And here I'm going to select this and the first color. Likewise you have to just change the all colors. I will just change this to B. Again make sure that it is center align, C, D and E. So change the colors one by one. So let me just change this color to some good color. I will make it purple, a dark and a lighter one, and this also should be a darker color. Then this, maybe I'll select blue, dark blue and a light blue, and this will also be a blue. And this is the last option. Maybe I'll go for green. Let's see. And this also I'll make it green. So you can see here almost we have completed our design. Only part which is remaining is to insert the icons. To insert icons, go to insert and click on icons, and these icons 2007 and 2010 version I think is not available. Only in the latest version these particular icons are available, or you have to go to the internet and select the some good icons from there. So let me just select some good icons. I will just say 1 2 3 4 and maybe this 5. Insert and graphic fill, I'll make it white color and start putting one by one the icons inside the star. Let me just put the eye here. And the bulb I'll put in the last. So our design is ready. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.